Let me ask you something real quick. When you see something expensive, do you think I can't afford this? Or how can I make this pay me back? That one question is the difference between staying broke and building wealth. Today I'll show you how millennials think differently and how you can start thinking the way starting today. World has two worlds, two mindsets. There are two invisible worlds around us. You can't see them, but you can feel them. One world is full of people who work hard yet always struggle with money. The other world is full of people who seem to attract money again and again. And here's the truth, more people don't know what to hear. It's not luck, it's not talent, it's not where they were born, it's how they think. Because money doesn't respond to efforts, money responds to mindset. Cost thinking versus value thinking. Most people think in cost. They say, this is too expensive. Millennials think in value. They ask, will this make me better, smarter, more valuable? A poor mindset avoids buying books. A millennial mindset buys knowledge. A poor mindset avoids learning new skills. A millennial mindset invests in skills. Because millennials understand this rule, skills pay more than luck. Knowledge pays more than comfort. Comfort keeps you safe. Skills make you free. Long term thinking. Most people think about this weekend. Millennials think about next 5 years. Most people ask, what can I buy right now? Millennials ask, what can I build that pays me later? They are willing to be uncomfortable today so that they can be free tomorrow. While others relax, they learn. While others scroll, they plan. That's not sacrifice, that's strategy. Responsibility mindset. Here's a hard truth, but a powerful one. Poor mindset says, my life is hard because of others. Millennial mindset says, my life is my responsibility. They don't blame the government, they don't blame family, they don't blame the boss or the economy. They look in the mirror because blaming feels good for a moment, but responsibility gives you control, and control is where power begins. Problem seekers. Most people avoid problems. Millennials look for them. Why? Because problems are paid opportunities. Every business exists to solve a problem. Every wealthy person got rich by solving one. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the reward. If you want more money, don't ask for less problems. Ask for better problems. Identity shift. This is the real secret. Millionaires don't want to be rich to think rich. They don't say, I'll think wealthy when I have money. They say, I think wealthy so money follows. Your identity control your actions. Your actions control your results. Change how you speed yourself and your life will catch up. So starting today, stop thinking like a consumer. Start thinking like a creator. Stop asking, how can I spend? Start asking, how can I grow? Your millennium journey don't start in your bank account. It starts in your mind. For day 2, rich versus poor habits because what you do daily decides what you become permanently. Your future self is watching. Don't disappoint them.